Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak, or not jailbreak, but use Cydia on 4.1. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so this theme, if you guys are wondering, because I might get a bunch of comments on it, it's called XHD. Cydia icon's right there. Load it up. Okay, so when you open Cydia, this is what it'll look like. There's 5 tabs on the very bottom. You can see there's Cydia, Sections, Changes, Manage, and Search. Sorry, my camera is crappy. I'm using another iPod Touch 4. By the way, mine is an iPod Touch 4, 4th gen. Okay, so the first 3 tabs are Featured, Themes, and Cydia Store Products. Featured is just basically Cydia's featured products, whether they may be free or not. Cydia has its own app store, like you would see on the app store for the Apple Store, like just different things that you can buy that'll tweak or change the interface of your iPod Touch or iPhone or iPad or whatever you have. Themes are just different themes you can download. HD for iPhone 4 Retina or SD for iPhone 2G, 3G, 3GS, blah blah blah. And I'll show you a couple themes in a second. Here's like just one of their top themes, or not themes, but tweaks called IntelliScreen at a glance data, as far as weather, calendar, and text messages, stuff like that. Let's go right into sections. Sections is where there's different things, different like for instance tweaks. Like one that I find useful, synchronicity, which allows you to use your iPod while you're syncing, or for instance sleep effects, which is like, see, it makes it look like a TV screen when you turn off your or sleep your device. Changes are if just different, I don't know what, actually I'm not really sure what this means. It's just a bunch of different random tweaks, themes, etc. When you have an app from Cydia that you've bought or illegally gotten, it'll once in a while if you launch Cydia, there'll be a number on here, a red number, like an update for the app, so you can update them from there. Manage is something I like. You can go to sources. It's just basically packages. It just shows all your icons, all your not all your icons, but themes, tweaks, and everything you have. Storage is how much data you have left, and sources, I'll show you a source you can add at the moment. Cydia.iphonerepo.com. This source will allow you, let's type that in wrong. This source will allow you to get all the Cydia applications for free. Some of them don't work as well as the paid ones, but you get what you pay for. Cydia.iphonerepo.com. Add source. What the hell is going on? Okay, I guess I took that one off. Well, anyway, Xalize, if you can see that right there, cydia.xalize.com/. I'll have the description, or I'll have the name in the via description, but I'll add another one real quick just to make sure it works. Cydia.hackulo or cydia.appcake.com. What this allows you to do, if it'll work, let's see. Yes, it did work. This allows you to get an app similar to Installous, if you know what Installous is. Installous is a third-party application that allows you to get App Store applications for free on the regular App Store. This is the same thing, just an alternative name. Let this download. If you get pop-ups, just press OK. It's okay. It's not saying that your iPhone's corrupt or iPod Touch is corrupt or broken. It's just going through the processes. Sometimes it won't come up. Sometimes it will. Mine just didn't happen to come up. But if you have this source, you have a list of themes. Like there's just thousands and thousands of themes. For instance, let's say you like the band Metallica. Never mind, let's say you like the band Nickelback. So there's a picture of Nickelback. The apps have not changed. There are certain, not every single theme has what would you call it? Changed interface or different themes, which I'll show you what I mean. For instance, if you go in the sections, themes complete. For instance, if you click on a wonderful theme or Aderful theme for iPod Touch, see this particular thing costs $3. You go down to the bottom where it says screenshots. Sometimes it'll say more info. If you click on more info, you'll also get pictures of what it looks like. And see, UI is completely different. Blue background, different icons, different lock screen, batteries changed, dialers changed, weather down at the bottom, different Twitter or just notifications. Everything has changed, even the App Store and stuff, even the music player, SMS. So you get the point. So the basic thing of Cydia is just stuff like this. Like for instance, I'll show you some things I have downloaded. SBS settings. This allows you to quick toggle all your system's information as far as brightness, Wi-Fi on or off. You have power options, reboot, respring. You can lock it. This thing I like is called Barrel, which allows you to change the way your icons move to left to right. I have InfiniDock, which I can put as many icons on the dock as I want. I have infinite folders, which allows my folders just to have as many icons in them as if I want. My music player is different. And you can just change whatever you want. That's basically Cydia. Thanks for watching.